Welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I learn the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour.
I'm doing a sunflower again. Me and my daughters did one the other night. Each one of us did one.
We watched and learned from the incredible Polly Prissy Sally, her sunflower paintings. We followed her videos, and although we learned a lot, they didn't turn out perfect. There was definitely issues with each one, but each one also had its beautiful parts to it too. So a lot was learned from it, and Kayla definitely had the best one. This is hers. Stunning. Kristen's had some issues when drying. It bubbled up a little bit, probably from the wood degassing.
And it turned out really cool for our first to try. But in regular Patty fashion, I just wasn't satisfied. So I'm going to do it again because I know I can do better. There really was, the biggest thing is I didn't put down a white enough yellow. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Okay, I drew out a half circle already. And the first thing we do is trace that circle. Okay, and I do just enough over the edge. So it drips all the way down. Also, when I laid my red down yesterday, there was still a lot of Floetrol in the nozzle. So I'm pretty sure that affected something too. Now we start with the yellows. We have Amsterdam Nickel Titanium and Amsterdam Primary Yellow. I'm going to lay down the primary yellow first. It's a little darker and it's semi-opaque, semi-translucent, however you want to say it.
Okay, well, this is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to speed it up here in a minute, put some music on, and let you sit back and enjoy the process.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So much happier with that. Oh yeah. absolutely stunning. Okay, now I gotta go around and do my sides. Okay, I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. This one is a little better than yesterday's. I don't know if I put that much more yellow down. I thought I did. And I'll have to compare them later, side by side. But I like this. I like this a lot. I guess we'll do a flyover. Boom, baby. I am tickled pink on this one. Oh my goodness. It is just beautiful. Now there's a particular reason why I'm trying so hard to get one of these done. There's an art show that I want to apply for, and the theme is Mother Nature, and it's perfect for it. So I just wanted to get one of these done to enter it into that contest. Look at this. Look at that. So beautiful. Wondering if I should stick a little red right there, because I'm missing some in here. I don't know if I can get it to blow out right, but we're gonna give it a quick try. Okay, I think that's a little better. Not perfect, but it blends enough. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and let's hope this baby dries beautifully, because I'm impressed. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous, if I do say so myself. And then this side. Wow. Wowzer. All right. There you go. Please dry right. And while we wait for it to dry, here are my next locations where you can find me selling my artwork. Wow. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow, the detail in it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just love what is going on here. This is going to be a perfect addition. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I couldn't be any happier with that. Definitely going to be entering this into an art show locally here. That's exactly what I made it for. And it's going to do amazing, I think. I'm excited. Now to let it cure, and then we'll be resining it. And this is the first one I did. It is much darker. There's a lot less detail out in the further outreaches. And it's still a little wet right in there. And I did that one before I did this one. But it still has some amazing gorgeousness to it. So it will be for sale. Probably gonna fix the center make it all brown again or something. But yeah, loving it. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Thank you so much for joining us with the Creative Art Collective. As usual, the fabulous Taslima Maya Art was before me. If you missed it, go back and check her out. I'm in the middle. Sheldon is off this week. We look forward to having him back next week. So see you then, Sheldon. As for now, thank you for your support always, your love, and support means so much to me. I could not do this without you. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks for joining me this week. And as always, keep creating. Bye.